what's up guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel TheLeiaV. If you're watching me and this video for the first time, and then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even attempt to watch this video all the way to the end. While you're here, may I suggest and prompt you to perhaps consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. All that will be needed from your end is to click on the subscribe button right down this video that has that red rectangular subscribe button. All you have to do is just click on it and there will be a bell icon next to it. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that new videos like this will be updated and you will be notified. In today's video, it's going to be a product review. This product is from India and it's from the Sugar Cosmetics line. I'm going to be telling you my thoughts and opinions about this eyeshadow quad. I want to say I got this product sometime back, a long time ago actually. I think I want to say about the 2-year mark. This is by Sugar Cosmetics line of eyeshadow palettes. And this is a beautiful looking 4-shadow quad palette that looks like this. They look pretty close to another popular brand in the market. The way they are packaged together side by side, I feel like it had a strong resemblance of and that's exactly the reason why I wanted to pick this eyeshadow palette up. I believe the price point of this palette 699 rupees, and this is formulated in Italy and it's available quite widely in India. The colors from this palette are so brown eye friendly. I have a slight tinge of coffee brown in my eyes, and these colors complement my slight brown eye really beautifully, and I'm absolutely loving that the pigmentation. 3 of these colors have like a foil finish. The eye look that I have on my eyes right now is created using this eyeshadow palette. A beautiful transition color. If you're someone who doesn't want to faff around with a lot of eyeshadows, I'm someone who would gravitate for a brown like this just for the crease and then hit it with a little bit of mascara and I'm good to go, and also filling my eyebrows. If you ask me, this brown is to die for. If you're someone who's around my complexion, or if you happen to be my complexion or even paler off, this would definitely be a lot more obvious pop against your complexion, and it's really easy to blend it out as well. I hardly have any trouble. All I find myself doing is just applying a little bit and it buffs out really quickly, and there's not much of a kickback. Can you see that it doesn't have a lot of fallout? And then I just like hit it just where my folds of my crease. It blends beautifully and I love how pigmented it is. Sometimes if I'm really lazy and if I just want to have a little bit of contour, I just take the same color and then just slide it down and make it into this weird shape, and then I'll buff the rest. Okay, now it looks really terrible. So once I do that, all I do is just take a big fluffy powder brush that has no product, I don't think so there's any, and I just slightly buff the color out. Like, it blends with so much of ease. I've not had any trouble with it being patchy or skipping. It's really easy to redefine the crease with it at any point of time, especially when I have a lot of like filming sessions back to back. I find myself reaching for this palette quite a fair bit, and that's the reason why I'm making this review for you guys. I think you should definitely hop on the Sugar Cosmetics bandwagon. That's the reason why a lot of people have been liking this eyeshadow, and it's widely available in India. If I have not mentioned already, I have also mentioned that the eyeshadows, they have such amazing opacity and pigmentation to them. They blend with ease and they are so brown eye friendly type of setup that they have here. Why don't I just do a swatch? Probably would not be able to understand my obsession with this palette, and I'm just doing a light swatch. I'm not even going ham, and a lot of the colors are so reminiscent of the other popular brand that you have. They look amazing but on their own. I did not even had to wet my hands with it. I also like the purple. The purple is like a very nice bronzy with a purpley undertone. I like this. This definitely is leaning towards a little bit of a warmer bronzer type of undertone to it. There's a little bit of red, but definitely it's on the warmer side. It pulls a lot more orange on my skin. So affordable. For 699 rupees guys, you're getting a lot of value, and I've been using this palette for quite a while now. Mind you, I got this 2 years back and I'm still reaching out for this because of its finish and its pigmented opacity that it gives on the eyelids. I absolutely love it, and it comes in this packaging, a cardboard packaging. I wouldn't really mind the cardboard package just because I feel like the product, the eyeshadows are such a win for me, and it comes with this cling, you know, that thing that covers the eyeshadows, protect it from like getting all over. And for the past 2 years that I've been using this eyeshadow palette, I have never experienced a situation where it's crumbling little bits and pieces of dust. If you're in the market for a new eyeshadow palette and you happen to have brown eyes and you're looking for a palette that would complement your brown eye, if you're living in India and if you have a budget of under 800 rupees, this eyeshadow palette will see you through, I guess, for a very long time, and you're getting a lot of value for your money because the eyeshadow palette is such a win for me. And that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this Tri-Sugar Cosmetics Blend the Rules Eyeshadow Quad, and this is in the variant called 01 Stronger. I really hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not following me on my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and all you have to do is just click on it on the red subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it. For daily updates, I am very active on Instagram. Do go check me out over there, and I shall catch you very soon in my next video. Until then, stay safe, be responsible, and remember to wash your hands. Bye!